not acting stupid. We're being dumb. Maybe just a little bit foolish. But I feel so young. Drunk. I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing the Zard Low Exhaust, which I've not seen any videos on. No one seems to have it on their bike. I've seen the Zard website and the pictures of it, but I'm pretty excited to use it. For all the Scrambler owners, I think it's super important to get, especially in the summertime, to get the exhaust from the high mount to the low mount. For me personally, I'm not taking the bike often off-road, so I'm pretty excited about this one. But I'll show you the install. I'll try to get you guys as much audio of the before and after as possible, and give any tips along the way. Down in the garage. This is the SRT as she sleeps, and this is the 2019 Scrambler. I love this bike. As the name of the series or my channel is called, Big Guy Rides, I'm 6'7". Might be hard to believe, but if you look down, I make everything look small. So I need a bike that's got a really high inseam. And I absolutely love this bike, but let's give it a turn on so we can hear it before the new pipes go on, so everybody can get a good example of what it sounds like stock. I'm in sandals, which is probably not the best to shift gears. Still makes me pull in the clutch. For a stock exhaust, this thing has a lot of throat. I was super impressed when I got the bike, the way the bike sounded. You know, I like loud things. I'm not a big fan of the electric car movement outside of the instant torque and the speed, but I like to hear my toys. So, you know, for example, I'm going to be installing the Zard Exhaust. Instead of this high line right here, the exhaust is going to come down, it comes around and comes up, more like a traditional bike. Because it goes from one pipe to two right now into one pipe to one, it's going to be significantly louder. At least I hope so. And I'm really looking forward to see how it looks. So I'm going to set the camera up. I'll talk through the installation. You'll be able to watch it. I'm going to set up a little bit more so I, you know, don't lose any parts, because this is still an apartment building that I live in. And we'll go from there.
Floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing.
Quick trip to AutoZone. Didn't have a wrench. With all those tools, didn't have a wrench. It's like everything you start, you think it's gonna be easy, and then right before you're finished, you don't have the right tool.
Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. all these empty faces. We don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh. I know we're acting stupid.
It feels like it's been a really long time because it has. Mustache, look at that. I've been enjoying the Zard Exhaust. The one reason I haven't finished my video was because I have the worst computer in the world for video editing. So if this goes well and you guys like the video, then I'll be making more with a different computer. But before we go downstairs, here's a quick view of the New York City skyline. Looks great today. It's a beautiful day, a little hot, but I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips, the best I can, from the Zard Exhaust, and I'm gonna do some drive-bys. I'm gonna set this up. That will conclude my first review. Welcome back to my garage. So let's take a listen to what this exhaust sounds like, but first let's take a look, because I think it looks fantastic. I got the matte black installed. As you can see, runs out and down right here from the header. Here's where the old one used to run. Here's a nice little storage bag that you can put here instead. It actually comes with the exhaust kit. I have some tools in there that I carry if I want to put my registration. If I ever know where that is, I'll put it in there. But let's hear it. Let's light it up. So you can hear it much deeper. Super throaty. So as you can tell, I'm super pleased with the sound. It sounds awesome. It sounds even better driving by. So I'm gonna cut this right here. I'm gonna set this camera up outside. I'm gonna drive by it so you can actually hear what it sounds like from a little further away and when the bike is moving. But I 100% recommend it. Awesome install for this bike. And it even gives you room to put 2 saddlebags if you'd like. So instead of just having the one on the Scramblers, you can actually double it up. I have my eye on, I don't know, the slow-mo tech or slow tech, whatever it is. If I buy it, I'll do a review about that. But let me set this up and let me do some drive-bys. I think you'll enjoy it. that concludes the review. Hopefully I helped you with your purchasing decision. I 100% recommend the Zard Exhaust, especially if you're not doing off-road adventures often. Hope you liked the video, and hope to see you soon.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish. I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it?